Good morning everyone. Welcome back to grade 4 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? In the previous classes, we were learning about subtraction. We saw the subtraction of 5 and 6-digit numbers. We saw the properties of subtraction. In this class, we'll talk about how to use addition to check if a subtraction is done correctly. Look at this very simple example. We all know 4 minus 3 equal to 1 or 1 plus 3 gives you 4, right? So 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Here 4 is the minuend, 3 is the subtrahend and 1 is the difference. So from this we can write 1 plus 3 equal to 4, right? Or this 1 is the difference, 3 is the subtrahend and 4 is the minuend. So from this simple example, we can say that the minuend is equal to the sum of the difference and the subtrahend. Now let's see that with more examples. Subtract 24,354 from 73,634 and check the answer. Now, how do we subtract these two numbers? This is the smaller node and this is the bigger numeral or the minuend. So, from the minuend, we are subtracting the subtrahend. So, let's write that those numbers here. 73,634 minus 24,354. Now, let's start with the ones. 4 minus 4 gives you 0. Now, can we do 3 minus 5? Which is bigger? 5 is bigger. What do we do then? We borrow 1 from the next higher place. So, borrowing 100 from the hundreds place and giving it to the tens place. So, here it is, we are borrowing 100 which is equal to 10 tens. So, now here we have the 10 borrowed tens plus the 3 tens you already have. So, 10 tens plus 3 tens give you 13 tens here. So, now 3 is changed to 13. Now, 13 minus 5 equal to 8 tens. Now, since we gave 100 to the tens place, this 6 hundreds is changed to 6 hundreds minus 100 which is equal to 5 hundreds. Now, 5 hundreds minus 3 hundreds give you 2 hundreds. Now, in the thousands place, we have 3 thousands minus 4 thousands. We cannot do 3 minus 4. What do we do then? We borrow 10,000 from the 10,000s place and give that to the thousands place. So, 10,000 is equal to 10,000. So, now here we have that 10,000 plus the 3,000s that we already have here. So, that is equal to 10 plus 3 equal to 13,000. Now, we can do 13 minus 4 which is equal to 9. Now, since we gave 10,000 to the thousands place, instead of 7 we have 7 minus 1, 6 here. Now, 6 minus 2, what is it? It is 4. So, what is the difference of these two numbers? It is 49,280. So, from the first simple example, we know that the minuend, which is the bigger number, should be equal to the sum of the difference and the subtrahend. Now, how do we do that? We have to add the difference and the subtrahend and check if we get the minuend. Let's do that now. Here we have the difference 49,280. Now, let's add the difference and the subtrahend. Now, let's start adding the ones. 4 plus 0 give you 4 and 8 plus 5 equal to 13. You write the 3 here and carry over the 1 to the hundreds place and 3 plus 2, 5 plus the carried over 1 give you 6. Now, 9 plus 4 is 13. 3 here, carry over 1 there. Now, 4 plus 2 or 2 plus 4 equal to 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So, this is the minuend that we had in the beginning. So, again, the difference plus the subtrahend gives you the minuend. Thus, we can say the subtraction the subtraction was done correctly. Why? Because when we did the addition with the difference and the subtrahend, we got the minuend again, and hence you have to keep this in mind. While doing subtractions, you can do this property to check if the subtraction is done correctly. Now, we'll do one activity now. Turn to page number 29 in your textbook. You can see exercise 2.6 there. You have to do the question number 1A and B there. You can pause the video, finish the exercise and come back. Hope you finished writing the answers. Now let's check the answers. So question number 1, find the difference and check your answer. The first question, 54,764 minus 31,451. Let's start subtracting these two numbers. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So this is the difference. Now how do we check the answer? We can add the difference and the subtrahend and see if we get the minuend as the sum. If we get the minuend, it means the subtraction was done correctly. Now let's add these two numbers. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the subtraction was done correctly. Now let's do question B. Here 62 minus 41,055. Let's subtract these two numbers and find the difference first. So in the ones place you have 2 ones minus 5 ones. We cannot do 2 minus 5. So what do? We borrow 110 from the tens place. So this 2 becomes 12. That is the borrowed 10 plus the 2 ones that you already have. So 12 ones minus 5 ones, it is 7. Now in the tens place, this 6 is changed to 5 because we gave 110 to the ones place. So 5 minus 5, it is 0. 900s place you have 2 minus 0, 2. Thousands place 3 minus 1, 2. And in 10,000s place you have 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. Now this is the difference. How do we check if the subtraction was done correctly? Let's add the difference and the subtrahend and see if we get this minuend as the sum. Let's do the addition now. 32,207 plus 41,055. Now what is 7 plus 5? It is 12. So 2 here, 1 is carried over to the tens place. 5 plus 0 is 5 itself, plus 1 gives you 6. 0 plus 2, it is 2. 1 plus 2, it is 3. 4 plus 3, it is 7. Is this the same minuend? See, 73,262, 73,262. So we can verify that the subtraction was done correctly. So I hope this is clear to you. Now, in your textbook, you have to go through the topic checking subtraction using addition. That is in page number 29. And after that, you have to complete the questions, question 1C to 1F and also the question number 2 from exercise 2.6. So, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Until then, bye.